Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is me Toufic and you are watching Learn with Toufic Ahmed YouTube channel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video I am gonna show you the Replo's new update features, new UX, new settings in 2024 end. In the end of this year, Replo has updated their functionalities, their settings, their features, some UX improvements they have updated. So if you are new to Replo and also if you are an old user of Replo page builder of Shopify, so you should know this to work seamlessly on Replo. So I am also a Replo developer. I am also a Shopify expert and Replo pagefly gem pages and everything I know about Shopify. I hope if you are my old visitor, old viewer, so you know that I have already a Replo masterclass course, so you can watch this to learn Replo easily. Okay, if you need Shopify for $1 for 3 months, check the video description. I have push the link in the video description. For you can just you can just have your Shopify store and in just $1, for just $1 for 3 months easily. You don't have to pay $29 or $49 per month. Okay, so just go to the video description and get your dream Shopify store for just $1 for sign up. Check the video description for the link. Okay, so let's see the new dashboard of Replo and the settings and functionalities. So let's go. So this is my Replo dashboard. So at first I want to say that if you are an old user of Replo or new user, and okay, so if you are an old user, you know that there were many options here, like 6 to 7 options, like projects, dashboard owner. This is the dashboard. Okay, there was the option projects, analytics. This is the new option of beta version. So if you are a Replo paid user, so you can use this. Okay, this is in under beta version. So after that there is A/B testing experiment here option. Okay, 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 let's reload this. What's the issue? Just wait. Let's go again. Dashboard Replo. Let's cut this browser, delete this, and again let's go to dashboard of Replo. So we can see the new dashboard. So this is the new dashboard of Replo. So this is the experiment. This is the if this is for A/B testing. Okay, so optimize your pages effortlessly by testing different versions, setup, split traffic, and see results in a few clicks. So you can experiment from here. Okay, so how you can experiment, like your experiment link, what is domain, is your default Replo page domain or use your own custom domain. So if you have your own domain, or you can use this Replo's own domain group name, like I have my workspace name here. Okay, slug, like experiment number as your wish. You can like experiment 1 or 2 3, create link, you can create link, or there is another option to pages to split traffic to. It means that like A/B testing, variant A, variant B, like you have two landing pages. Okay, so create two pages for same product. Okay, or anything you want. So and then publish it and paste the URL. So I have many pages, so I just I am just okay, so I'm just going with this list, like for example, like support sections, testing. Okay, Daisy Dog. Okay, Daisy Dog. This is also Daisy Dog, same. Okay, this is gonna be different, but I have just only one of this product, so I am just showing. If you have, you should have only one product with multiple product pages, means there will be two different versions of one product. Okay, then you have to paste the number one here, number two here. Okay, and you must enable analytics for this Shopify integration in order to track results on this page. To enable analytics, click on this. So it will redirect you to the Shopify's admin. Then it will update data access Replo. So if you have the Replo app, so it will, this is gonna access the pixels of, I think pixels also. Okay, gathering data, analytics is on now. Let's reload this. But I am on a development, so I have not so much data. But if you are on a paid plan and if you have a potential visitors and customers, so you can get this data. Okay, so look, I'm on the experiments. This is connected with the analytics. Okay, also, so look, like if you want to split traffic of your traffic like 30% or 20, must total 100%, so it should be 100%. Okay, 30%, 70%, you can split by 50%, 50%. Okay, okay, you can also add some descriptions here, like for notes something. Okay, so then you can also add variant, another variant. Okay, so this is how you can start experiment after, because I am not a plan paid plan, so I cannot do the experiment. Okay, so I'm just deleting this. Okay, so after that you can see there is the option of setting. So this was under this. Okay, this was not grouped when, I mean, some days ago, like 2 week or 1 week or 2 week ago, when old Replo was, the UI was not here. I mean, the options were not here. They were under the projects, then general projects, then member, uh, and then billings options, then affiliates options, option, then integration options. But Replo has updated. This is a new update that they have combine this 4 or 5 options under the setting. Okay, so look, general members. What is general? You can change your workspace name, delete workspace. Then members, who are the owner, you can add a member, as a as a owner. Okay, send invite with their mails. Okay, so then billings. What is billing? I am on a free plan and limitation. Okay, Shopify integration, I can use only one store connections. Okay, I cannot publish any item because I'm on a free development plan. Okay, then affiliate. Okay, this is my affiliate link. You can check the affiliate link, I mean, sorry, you can check the video description for Replo for sign up without any cost. Okay, only free. Just use this link. I will put this link into the video description in this video. Check the description, so you can sign up for free. Okay, without any cost. So after that, look, this is integration, like Shopify. First of all, Shopify store you have to integrate. Then, as you can see that other available integration like clean search, size charts, infinite options. These are third-party apps like Fera for reviews, Google Analytics, Judge Me for reviews, Intelligence, No Commerce, Okendo for reviews, Recharge for subscriptions, Revise subscriptions, Shopify product reviews, Skio, Stamped for reviews, Vimeo for video embedding, like Triple Whale, TikTok adding, for TikTok pixels also, YouTube video adding. Okay, so and there is some documentations. Okay, so and you can see that there is your account. I have my own account. So this is the new, and nothing is changed in the recently in the UI of this. Okay, just something is that you can, okay, you can check here. Okay, perfect. As you can see, there is a, this is a great section I developed. If I show you, look, okay, it's I if I click on phone using phone drag, I'm not phone, so it's okay. Look, this is a great section using Replo. I have okay, perfect. So if you need also a Replo developer for your store, you can contact with me. Check the video description link. I have all the links in the description. Okay, so thank you for today. This is the new update of Replo features. So if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like, share and comment for more rich and So if you need my help to build your store, build your landing pages, build your own e-commerce business, just knock me in the video description. There is a WhatsApp link, Gmail, and other social accounts. So thank you for watching this video.